Do you live in India? No, I live in Texas. Do you have an email? Yes, my email is 123@555.com. Please write to me soon. Yes, I will. Tenzin, do you have a red hat? Yes, I have a big red hat. Are these your bags? No, these are my friends. Are the bags heavy? Yes, the bags are heavy. Are you going to the temple these days? I go sometimes. I normally work from home. Are you a teacher? No, I'm a writer. Do you wear chubas sometimes? No, I don't wear chubas these days. Do you watch shows on YouTube? Yes, I watch YouTube. Do you listen to songs? Yes, I listen to songs. I also sing songs. Will you have tea? Yes, I will have tea.